10th Standard Geography, Unit 12, India Population. Dear students, you have already observed the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First question, explain the size of population in India. Answer is, India is the second populous country in the world next to China. As per 2011 census, the total population of India was 121.01 crores. It accounts for 17.5% of the world's population with 2.4% of the total land area. These are all about the size of population in India. Let's move to question number 2. During 1901 to 1921, population growth was slow. Why? Answer is, during 1901 to 1921, population growth was slow because high death rates due to diseases, epidemics, lack of medical care. Question number 3. The period from 1921 to 1951 was considered as a period of moderate growth. Why? The main reason was decline in death rate due to control of epidemics, better health and sanitation facilities. Due to all these reasons, the period from 1921 to 1951 was considered as a period of moderate growth. Question number 4. What are the reasons for high birth rate in India? The reasons for high birth rate in India are early marriage, religious and social attitudes, polygamy, poverty, tropical climate, etc. These are the reasons for high birth rate in India. Question number 5. What are the reasons for low death rate in India? The reasons for low death rate in India are improved medical facilities, control of epidemics, lower infant mortality, spread of education, etc. These are the reasons for low death rate in India. Question number 6. What are the measures to control growth of population? The measures to control growth of population are the family planning, women welfare projects, publicity and advertisements, creating awareness among the rural people, etc. These are the measures to control growth of population. Question number 7. Mention the sparsely populated and the densely populated areas of India. Answer is the sparsely populated areas are the Himalayan region, Central Highlands, Thar deserts, and islands. The densely populated areas are the Gangetic Plain, coastal plains, urban and industrialized areas. Question number 8. Which are the areas of high density? What are the reasons for high density? The northern Great Plains and the western and eastern coastal plains have the high density of population in India. These have high density of population due to fertile soil, transport and communication facilities. Question number 9. What are the reasons for low population density? The reasons for low population density are the mountain, hilly terrains, forest regions, low temperature or semi-arid climate. These are the reasons for low population density.